is Mars, and in this video, I will make a box for my baked goods. Now, I know I could have just buy this, but I'd rather spend my money in buying ingredients or stuffs for YouTube content, you know. Let's get on with this. So the box I've been meaning to make has a width and length of 7 inches and a height of 1 1/2 inches. Unfortunately, a regular size paper will not cut it. No pun intended there. So what we're gonna do is glue a couple of paper together. I'm using a photo paper stock, by the way. It's fairly thick so it fits my purpose. The logic here is similar when you stack bricks to build a wall. That way it will be sturdy. I'm using a glue washed down with water to paste them together. To make it even more sturdier, I'm gonna reinforce the seams with tape. Okay, let's put in the measurements with a ruler and pencil like so. So here is the template that I'm using for this. I will put a Google Drive link on where you can download it in the description below. Time to cut this down to size. Don't throw away the used parts, we're gonna paste them together again for the lid. Once again, draw in the measurements and cut it to the right size. The lid's width and length should be 1/4 inch larger than the base. Now that everything is cut, we're gonna fold the boards and cut the corners. And now we can form the box. We can use the stapler or tape or glue to put them together. Alright, the box is formed, but we are not done yet. Because of our finagling and the glue residue, it's kinda dirty to put in some food there, so we're gonna tidy this up. I have some magazine pages here, and what we're gonna do is cover the exterior of the book so it looks more presentable. I pasted the top of the box onto the magazine, cut the corners and wrap the magazine around like so. For the interior, I'm just gonna add in some clean white bond paper. I measured the dimensions by putting the box on top and drawing some guidelines on the side so I would know where I should fold and cut. It should fit nicely. I use a tape to fasten the paper into the box. That's it, we're done. We have a box, we have a lid. It's nice and presentable. It did take me some time to make this, but it's absolutely inexpensive and another good way to recycle and repurpose papers and cards that you're not using anymore. I hope you enjoy this little DIY project. I love trying stuffs like this. Thank you so much for watching. Smash that subscribe button and I will see you in the next video. Bye!